Good morning. Now, I do get a lot of comments on my YouTube channel. Most of them, thankfully, are really positive. Some of them, in fact, are quite heart-lifting. So I thank everyone that leaves those comments. But every now and again, I do get a really nasty negative comment. And this morning, I've got a really quite horrible comment, and it's all to do with how comes my Mercedes Vario camper van conversion is taking so long to complete. So I thought to myself, rather than try and explain to you what I do when I'm not working on the Vario, I'll show you. So today I'm going to take you along with me, share my day with you. This is a typical day when I'm not working on the Vario. Now do watch this video to the end, and I'll see you back here and I'll explain a little bit more about what I get up to when I'm not working on the Vario. Right, let's find me jumper and we'll get going. Now this is Chalford Church. It's not particularly spectacular, it's not particularly old. It's built around about the 1800s. But look at the view here. Welcome to the Cotswolds. It's a shame it's a little bit misty, but it is early in the morning. It's absolutely stunning. Now that building down there, that is Chalford Church Hall. And this is the building that me and Bob are currently working on. And I am currently helping Bob to restore the church hall. I'm giving up my time freely. I'm not getting paid for it. It's just something I like to do, is help old Bob, and in return he's helping the church. I'll take you inside in a minute, but first let's take a look around the outside where we're currently working. And what we are currently doing, oops, parking is a little bit tight around here, I've got to say. Right, so over the last month, what we've been doing is replacing these windows. We started up this end and we're working our way along. Bob's up there. We've replaced all these windows. Did this one yesterday, and today we're going to move all this scaffolding around to the side of the building to do the very last high glass window. And that's that one up there. We took the glass out yesterday from inside, but today, like I say, we've got to move all the scaffolding round here. Going to block the footpath, and it's the last one we've got to do. So the main task today is get that scaffolding down, get it round the side, put the new window in, and then get that scaffolding back to the hire company. As you can see, there's quite a few windows, and it's taken quite a while. So that's what we're doing on the outside. Once all the windows are replaced, I'll show you what's going to happen on the inside. So welcome to the inside of Chalford Church Hall. It's not been used since the pandemic, so everything inside here has gone a little bit damp, a little bit mouldy, and the idea of this project is to actually restore this hall so it can once again be used. There's all the windows we've taken out so far, what's left of the old windows. Yeah, you can see the wood. The reason these had to be changed is because the wood is just rotten. So Bob's been working tirelessly, and here he comes now. You all right, Bob? Morning.
Absolutely fine.
So let's take a look inside here. So that's the hall. Inside here there's living quarters. We've got one bedroom here, one bedroom there. And this is the kitchen and dining area, and then once all these windows are replaced, Bob is going to restore the interior to its former glory. Is that right, Bob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely, including myself.
Now let's do some work. Safer than this.
Got it?
Easy, yeah. What do you know now? a knife or chisel.
Oh, I tell you what, love that. Very spendy knife.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You might be better off just cutting it.
Yeah.
Window frames in, Bob's now caulking. Well, unfortunately, I've made a bit of a rookie mistake. I was in such a rush to get back to Bob to help him do those windows, I forgot to pick up a spare battery. So I've had to end that video quite abruptly. I do apologise, but it does give you some idea of what I do when I'm not working on the Vario, which was the purpose of this video, I suppose. Now, at the beginning of the video, I did say I would share another reason why it's taken so long to convert this Vario into a luxurious overlander, as I like to call it. And the fact of the matter is, making these videos is what slows me down. I put a lot of time, a lot of effort into making these videos, and believe it or not, sometimes I can spend literally 2 days just editing videos. It can take me that long just to produce a 20-minute video. Hang on, let me show you what I mean. Let me demonstrate. So imagine I've just cut this piece of wood, right? I feel myself sawing this bit of wood. I then take this piece of wood and I step into the van. The next thing you see is inside the van. So what I have to do is literally pretend to step in the van like this. I will then come out of the van holding the piece of wood that I just cut. Try not to fall over. I will then get my camera, switch it off, bring it into the van. And as you can see, it's dark in here, so I need to put a light on. I will then place the light there. I will now go out of the van, pick up my piece of wood and step into the van and start doing whatever it is I need to do. But what you see is this. So you can see it does take a considerable amount of time. All that moving around, stepping in and out of the van, moving the camera about, just to get that one shot can take 5, maybe even 10 minutes. And all those 10 minutes stack up during the day. And then I need to edit the video. And that's why it can take up to 2 days just to produce a video like this. Between me and you, this is the second day of filming this video. So please do bear that in mind. When you watch one of my videos, a lot of work does go into it, and that is why it's taken so long to convert my van into a luxurious overlander. Now, just to emphasise how much effort does go into making these videos, rather than end this video here with my normal spiel about hope you found it mildly informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, I'm not going to end this video like that. I'm actually going to add all the outtakes from this morning when I tried to film the intro of this video. Like I say, just to emphasise how much effort and how much time goes into producing these videos for your entertainment. Right, this is a little bit raw, but it is me being me. I hope you enjoy. Now, I get a lot of comments on my YouTube channel. Thankfully, most of them are really positive. Some of them, in fact, quite heart-lifting. Now, I get a lot of comments on my YouTube channel. Thankfully, most of them are quite positive. Some of them, in fact, quite heart-lifting. But every now and again, I do get the unwelcomed. Now, I get a lot of. Just start off like this. Robin's tweeting away again, ruining my fucking audio. Little wanker. Now, ordinarily I would end this video just to emphasise. No, that's not like that. Thumbs up. I'm not going to do that in this. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to end this video.